In this video, let me show you how to fix YouTube cannot create community post. So if you're trying to create a community post within your YouTube account, and if you're having issues, let me show you a few solutions that you can try out. Now, if you already don't know, you'll need to first of all enable the advanced features in order to get the community post option. So you just need to head over to the YouTube settings, specifically on the web version, either using the desktop or on the mobile, and then head over to the advanced feature where you can enable the option. Only then you'll be able to get the option of community post. Also make sure that you have disabled the video that is made for kids. If your channel is made for kids, this is the exact issue that you're facing, and any channel that is made for kids would not have the option of community post. Now, if this is not the case for you, then what you can try out is you can try to clear out the app cache of YouTube. So just tap and hold the app of YouTube, head over to the eye icon. If you're on an iOS device, you'll need to offload the application from the iPhone storage. Now, once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and then tap on the clear cache option. Also make sure that you update the YouTube app by heading over to the Play Store or the App Store, depending upon your device. And if you do see new updates available, make sure you tap on the update button. By doing these few steps, you should be able to fix the YouTube cannot create community post error. If this video did help you out, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.